Ugh. Oh, Lavender, you didn't. Oh, Lavender, when I get my paws on you, you will regret this. How am I supposed to climb this mountain? Ugh.
Oh, hi, Blizzard. I found something.
What is that?
I don't know.
Seems like a book. Wait, isn't that our names?
That's weird.
I know. It's not like we're in the story.
No! Some pages are missing from the book.
Cool, but are you aware that the book says our names?
Maybe they're talking about someone else.
It's not.